Happy birthday again, Kylie. I'm wishing you good health and make a better and responsible daughter always. Sana, Kylie, maging mabait ka pang bata at maging responsible ka sa lahat ng gagawin mo at ipagpatuloy mo lang, anak, yung mga gusto mo dahil nandito lang kami ng mami mo nakasupport sa'yo. Yeah. We love you.
We love you. Happy birthday, Kylie! I wish you on your birthday to be a prayerful girl and study hard for your bright future. We love you, anak. I feel like my heart is stuck in traffic. I'm under pressure cause I can't have you the way that I want. Let's just buti pa sila kahit may Gemma 1. Ako kasi wala akong mahanap na katulad mo. Ang unexpected na naging BFF kita kasi syempre grade 11 kaklase din kita grade 12. Pero hindi naman kasi tayo super close nung grade 11. Kahit isang pagitan lang yung upuan natin. Oo, nasa iba't ibang panig ka ng room.
Wala dito sa JB Palace. Happy birthday, Kylie! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right when I think that we found it, well that's when we start turning around. You're saying, baby, don't worry, but happy birthday, Gem, from GB. Know how to drive it right, and you decided not to make a change. Stuck in the same old lane, going. Happy 18th birthday, Kylie. Sana mag-enjoy ka.
I am beyond honored to be known as your friend, your best friend, the person who has seen you through ups and downs. I am proud to be a part of your growth, to say that I've played a role in your life. I want everyone to know how good of a person you are and how you keep improving whenever you see room for it. I will always admire your ability to change. And knowing you, I'm certain that you'll step into adulthood smooth. I know that you can handle yourself and explore the world as you grow, because I've been watching you do it all by yourself for years. I wish that the things meant for you will simply come your way. I wish that for you, everything would just fall into place. We're gonna be lost if we continue to fight. Honey, I know, yeah, we can find our way home.
Hi love, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Sana ma-enjoy mo tong araw na to. Sana mabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Andito lang ako lagi sa likod mo. Kahit mag-away man tayo, hindi kita iiwan. Yun lang. I love you.
I will include you in my prayers whenever you come into mind. You can always reach out to me whenever you need someone to talk to or you need something. I can be your ate figure if you need. I love you so much. Happy birthday.
I appreciate you as a person and kaibigan, na-appreciate ko na ikaw yung unang nag-approach sa akin simula nung senior high school, and sana matupad mo yung mga dreams mo in life, and sana kasama pa rin kami ron.
Ang ganda mo ngayon. Siyempre, sino ba nanay mo? Gaganda ka ba pag iba nanay mo? Siyempre, maganda ka dahil sa akin. Anyway, anak, you're 18, and being 18 holds a lot of responsibilities. Alam mo naman yun, di ba? Nag-usap na tayo, di ba? Minsan naiinis ka na, paulit-ulit ako. Pero ganun talaga yung mga
nanay. Kasi ayaw ka ng nanay na pahamak sa lahat ng magiging desisyon mo sa buhay. Mahal na mahal kita.
Go back.